lesson of civics, constitutional design. In the previous video, we studied about the meaning of constitution, constitution set of rules. And after this, we discussed why do we need constitution, features of constitution, and constitution framing was very difficult task for India. Now, we will study how the constitution was formed by Constituent Assembly. The Constitution of India that was made by Constituent Assembly under the Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. In this assembly, there were large number of members and they were taken from the different caste, different provinces, different language groups. So in this assembly, there were 389 members. They represent the different states and different chief commissioner provinces of India. The assembly held its first meeting on 6 December 1946. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the President of Constituent Assembly, and the Constituent Assembly was also divided into two parts, India and Pakistan. The Constituent Assembly that wrote the Indian Constitution, in which there were 299 members. This Constituent Assembly completed the Constitution on 26 November 1949, but it came into effect on 26 January 1950. Why it came into effect 2 months later? Because in 1929 session, Congress session, India decided to celebrate 26 January as the Independence Day before independence. So to keep the importance of that day, we decided to celebrate the Republic Day on 26 January 1950. Why should we accept the constitution made by this assembly more than 69 years ago? Many countries of world have had to rewrite their constitution because the basic rules were not accepted to all the major social groups or political parties. And in some other countries, the constitution considered as a mere piece of paper. But in India, it is not a piece of paper that has its so much importance. The experience of our constitution is different, and no one can put question on the legitimacy of constitution. So we can say that constitution that is an unusual achievement for us. This Constituent Assembly represented the people of India, and the people, they were the members of existing provincial legislature. They were from the different regions, language, caste, classes and occupations. This Constituent Assembly worked in a systematic and open manner, and some basic principles were decided and everyone was agreed on these basic principles. Then a drafting committee was formed under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and this drafting committee drafted the constitution for India. But before this, so many rounds of discussion took place, and the constitution that was described clause by clause. Clause by clause means every matter that should be included in the constitution that was discussed in detail. And in this, 2000 amendments were considered. Amendment means improvements. Every document that was presented and every word spoken in the Constituent Assembly was recorded and preserved. The material that was recorded and preserved, this material is known as Constituent Assembly debates. When Constitution was printed, it has 12 bulky volumes, and these 12 bulky volumes used to interpret the meaning of the Constitution.